Good afternoon, it's Harry Cordiano with Flat Rate Realty, and today I have a cute little starter home I'm going to be promoting coming up very soon here in the next day or so in Sacramento, in the Arden Gardens area near, I guess it's central Sacramento near Expo, the State Fair area. But I've got a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. It's got upgrades, wood flooring throughout, stone counters, built in 1955, and it's approximately, let's see, it's a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, approximately 963 square feet in living space. It's a really cute little home, great for first-time home buyers. Nice little starter home, also, you know, to be considerate, also probably a great rental property. But I'm going to take you inside and see what you think. So you have this formal living area, wood flooring throughout, has a wood burning fireplace, dual pane windows throughout, has amazing unique upgrades, electrical upgrades like these switches here. I guess these are popular in Europe. Has a wall furnace here, and then again more of these switches, but it's just got these little touches here that are very unique. Ceiling fans in every bedroom, obviously. We're approaching summer, so it's going to get hot up here. You have this beautiful kitchen. There we go. Upgraded kitchen. Has the subway tile backsplash. Stone countertops. Unique farm style sink with the nice upgraded faucet, dishwasher. It's LG. And this wonderful kitchen with these nice drawers, nice deep drawers, lots of cabinet space and pull-outs. Everything's hinged beautifully. Glass shelves. Here we go on this side too. Everything's soft close. Butcher block countertops near the gas stove. Really nice under cabinet lights. Let's see if I can create the mood here. There we go. And these unique recessed lights here in the ceiling. Refrigerator should stay. And slate style flooring in the kitchen all the way into the dining area. Here's the view looking into the backyard from the dining room. It's a good sized lot here. And then into the hallway. Here's the front bedroom. Both bedrooms are equal sized. It's the view out front. Got the original panel doors with upgraded hardware. Nice closet here. So just a nice original home that's well kept with sensible upgrades. Linen closet. And then the bathroom. There we go. There. So again, subway tile treatment, shower over tub. The shower door is a swing out style door. So it gives you more room here in the bathroom to get in and out of the shower. Single vanity. Got these amazing drawers that hold a lot. Water pressure seems adequate. And got the subway tile treatment all the way through, all the way around. And then also you have these unique recessed lighting that are square instead of round. There's a lot of treatments here that I haven't seen in other homes. And then also to note, you have a cooler. So vent, low cool. So I'd have to check it with the home inspector, but I believe this might be a swamp cooler. Which I'm sure is going to come in handy this summer. Coat closet. No carpeting in this house. Everything's hard surface flooring, wood flooring and tile. And then to the second bedroom. Same style closet. So good storage for these closets. Decent sized bedrooms. And then again, views out the back. So it's just under 1,000 square feet living space. Folks here are selling as they're moving on. And then as a bonus, you have a utility room back here. So the laundry is in this room. It's a gas hookup. You've got this nice frosted glass door. And then into the garage. So it's a one-car garage with an extra tall ceiling. You have a garage door opener. Some shelves attached to the wall for more storage. Good size water heater for a 2-bedroom. So give you an idea of the depth of the garage from the driveway. So it's finished off with drywall. You have some room for more storage up on top if you wanted to create a loft. Very nice. And then out back here in the backyard, it's a decent sized lot. Nice open patio area with the patio lights believe it's probably switch activated. There we go. And room to play, room to expand. The house is located at the crossroads of Howe and El Camino. There's a composite shingled roof. Sprinklers, from what I just noticed here. Right here. And looks like it's an upgraded panel. Just have to try and open this later, but this is obviously not the original one. And utility comes from the pole from the back of the lot. And then you have your gas meter, cooler, and then obviously access to the sub area. It's a cute home, very sensible. It's not going to be super pricey. It's going to be very affordable. You might also want to call me for financing, because I'm sure this will probably be very popular for first-time home buyers that would like to search financing with some options for incentives. But it's a really cute house. The address is 2005 Joan Way. My name is Harry Cordiano at Flat Rate Realty. If you have any questions or if you'd like to see this property, feel free to give me a call. My number is 510-506-8686. And thank you for looking at this video today.